Have you ever wondered how one person's courage can alter the fate of hundreds? During the devastating onslaught of Hurricane Katrina, amidst chaos and despair, a single woman defied all odds and orchestrated a miraculous rescue operation. This brave individual, armed with nothing but sheer determination and resourcefulness, navigated through flooded streets and crumbling structures. In the face of imminent danger, she mobilized boats, coordinated shelter for the stranded, and delivered essential supplies. Her relentless efforts saved hundreds of lives, embodying the very essence of heroism. Yes, this woman is none other than the remarkable Phyllis Montana LeBlanc.